Welcome, guys. I'm Mr. Lohman, and I'm going to be your virtual teacher this year. And I am teaching algebra, and I'm also teaching accelerated and geometry. So you are in either one of my classes. And you'll notice I've got an empty class here. Wish you guys were here. Maybe we'll get to meet each other next semester. But I want to just go over a couple of quick little things that pertain to both classes. I'll be putting the lessons on Monday morning, maybe even a little earlier. If I get it done, maybe Sunday I could put them on, and they will be due on Friday. So I'll post them on Monday. Make sure you submit all your work by Friday. You can work at your own pace. If you like to get it done quickly, as long as I get it done by Friday, or you get it done by Friday, that'll be fine. And I'm also going to post my hours of help. So if you want to meet one-on-one or you're having some issues, and I'll probably have my hours maybe in the middle of the week. It wouldn't make sense to do it on a Monday. So when I post the work on Monday, I'll probably do my hours in the morning maybe, or after school. Maybe what we'll do is we'll take a little vote and see what will work for you, okay? And of course, you can always reach me by using the It's Learning email feature there that they have. And I know a few of you have already contacted me, and I want to get to know you a little better. So feel free to contact me anytime. Okay? Thank you.